Hello, this is Espina from 𝗙𝗯 Zambia, bringing you smart digital and tech shortcuts to help you work smarter. Today's shortcut is a Microsoft Word tool called Spike, which helps you move multiple parts of a Word document without copying and pasting over and over. So you can cut different sections of your text separately and paste them all together in a new place with no need to copy one at a time. To begin, highlight the first section of text you want to move. Let's select food items from our list. Once highlighted, press Ctrl plus F3 on Windows or Command plus F3 on Mac. Repeat this process for all the other sections and Word will keep adding them to the same spike. So we'll keep highlighting our food items from the list. And the last item. All right, once done, you can move to a new page or section where you want your new content to appear and simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus F3. And just like that, your items will appear in the order that they were added to Spike. You can also view what's in the Spike before pasting by going to Insert, locating Quick Parts, and then Auto Text. This would display the Spike option that will allow you to view what's in Spike. And just like that, Spike allows you to organize your reports or gather quotes. Don't forget to like our channel, share, and subscribe for more smart content.